Hello, and thank you for joining us for Community Crossroads. I'm Carolina Astrain. Here's a look at what's coming up on today's show. We hear from Be Well Victoria. We also learn about the need for blood donations. We hear about the Heart Walk, and we also learn a little bit about Black history. All right, first up, we hear from Be Well Victoria. Welcome, Monica and Sunny.
Hello,
Hi.
Thank you for having us.
It's great to see y'all, and I'm so excited to learn more about this event you have coming up.
Yes.
So it's a Love Yourself workshop.
It is. It's our third annual Love Yourself workshop. And what we're doing is we're having self-care, showing the community self-care techniques, just, self-love. We want you to know you can love yourself. There's a way to, self-care. So we'll be having local organizations come and join us that day. And everybody will be having something different for the community.
Oh, wow. So what kind of organizations are going to be involved?
So right now we have Gulf Bend, and then we also have Lane Johnson from Gulf Bend that he will be doing like a 10-minute keynote, for us at the beginning. We have Paravita, we have the Hive, we have Downward Dog. Is there anybody? I'm missing a few.
Stitch Ministries, Melanated Mamas, all of them are coming to do different activities and bring information about their organizations to the community as well.
And is there a cost?
No, it's a free event.
Oh,
it's
wow.
a free event for the community. So we ask everybody, to come out. We do have registration on Eventbrite. So the reason we're doing that, the first 50 people that do sign up, they will get a free gift whenever they go to the event.
So you get a free gift on top of a free experience?
Yes, yes. So it'll be a fun event.
Wow.
Yes, it is.
And what is your capacity?
Well, the previous events, capacity, I would say about 200, but previous events, like I said, it's the third annual, and we see it growing. So hopefully, we'll get more people out there this year.
Let's go ahead and remind our viewers about the time.
The time, it's from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m.
Okay.
And it's at the First United Methodist Church
So
at
it's
the Wesley Hall.
downtown. Oh, no, it's okay. It's okay. So it's in downtown Victoria.
Yes.
A great place to be in the evening anyways.
Yes.
And so what's the harm in grabbing your Galentines? It's a Galentine's Day that day as well.
Yes, so bring your girls, but it's also for men, so come on.
Oh, it is also
all
for
inclusive.
Yes,
men.
it's all
Yes.
inclusive. So we invite everybody to come and join us. So come with your girlfriends, come, with your husband, or the guys come out and, come see what we have.
We will be providing food as well, so it can offer
as
us,
well.
yes.
Yes.
It could be a dinner time as well, so you can skip dinner, come and get some activities, some self-care tips, and some food.
Who's doing the food?
Oh, that's a surprise.
Well, that is so wonderful, and this is all through Be Well Victoria.
Yes.
Y'all are partially funded by the Ida, is it the Ida Hog?
It's the
Hog
Hog Foundation.
Foundation.
The Hog Foundation.
Yes.
I'm a hog.
Oh, okay.
I think that's her name. But
Yes.
that is so wonderful and contributing to enhancing the mental health of,
Yes.
our residents in our community, and around a time when, everyone wants to feel loved.
Yes, yes, and we will. So come on out.
All right, well, thank y'all so much. Again,
Of course.
this is Monica and Sunny with Be Well Victoria. And how can we reach out to y'all if we just have general questions about Be Well?
You could follow our Facebook page, the Victoria County Public Health Department page, or you could also follow our Be Well. And then you could, if any questions, you could call 361-578-6281, and you could ask for Monica or Sunny.
Awesome. Thank y'all for everything you do for our community.
Yes, thank you for having us.
Yes. All right. Well, coming up, don't go anywhere. We learn about the need for blood here in the Crossroads.